it's not the same without you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Smoothie Live. I know I haven't filmed in like a very long time with slime, and here again, back with it with the slime. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a huge-ish slime smoothie while I'm keeping some of my slime. I'm gonna throw away some of my slime because I kind of grew out of it, so that's why I'm gonna be doing this. Like, I'm just gonna throw it away after. So yeah, right now we're keeping the slime, so I'm putting it away. Here's the first slime. Yeah. Oh yeah, leave a comment down below what type of movie I should do next, cause like I have like no more videos ideas. Some of these slime are like really gross. They smell bad. They melt. I don't even know what the slime is. Oh, this is the diaper slime. So yeah, if you guys been here on the channel for a really long time, then you know that I had an Instagram slime account, so that's why I have like a bunch of slime like haven't seen before. So yeah. There's like a piece of hair in it. Do you see it? Anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this part now because it's getting too big. What is this? Oh no, don't go down there. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what solution I'm using borax. This is probably the ugliest slime smoothie ever. good thing I have to wrap it on my table so my table doesn't get messed up. Okay, so here's the final result. And I'm just gonna do some ASMR, but now I haven't said it in like a long time ever. Anyways, I actually tried doing the bubble. It's too stiff. Okay, so basically now I'm not gonna really play with this slime anymore. Just like waste of space if I just keep this. So comment down below what I should do. You know what? I should just throw it away. It's so ugly. I don't play with it anymore. It smells bad. So, part 2 is coming soon. There's more slime for slime smoothie. This is part 1. Ugly as shit. Take screenshots of this, and then we'll see which part's better. So now we're gonna throw it away. I got, hold up, let me just fix this. So I got this Hollister bag, put it back here, and we're gonna throw it away. I did it, guys. Bye, slime. Our chapter's over. Bye, bitch.